What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just got into the office. I hit the gym early this morning, and in today's episode I want to talk to you guys a little bit about some real estate and what I plan on doing in 2020. I also have an example property that I want to show you guys. So yeah, let's get started. But first, some coffee. No water in this bad boy. It's rad, man. Ooh, you know what I saw? Haha. So we get all our coffee from Costco. We usually get this stuff, but I don't know why we tried getting this yellow box, and this stuff is not good at all. I guess this is a medium roast, and this is a light roast. Light roast is a lot better. Alright, you guys, so let's head over to my desk and show you that example property that I was talking about. Keep in mind, this is only an example. It's something that I found last night because I knew I wanted to do this video this morning. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Also, you guys, quick update on the Jeep Gladiator. I actually got her back. The glare is pretty bad, but you can see it right there. They ended up having to replace the entire rear axle, which I was pretty shocked about, but luckily they got it done in like timely fashion. As soon as I got back from San Diego, I was able to go pick it up. So shout out to Fields Jeep, they hooked it up. Alright guys, so let's jump into this and show you the example property that I found. And here we go. Okay, so this house is in Evanston, Illinois. It's a suburb close to where I live. And the asking price is $225,000. And let's take a look at the inside. Definitely on the older side. I think it's actually the furniture that's making it look that old. I'm gonna get rid of these couches. They got nice hardwood floors, nice paint job. They're looking crispy. Kitchen definitely's gotta go. Yeah, look at these older cabinets, older appliances. One of the bedrooms looks fine, needs a paint job. Honestly, paint is one of the biggest things in homes because it's something that people see, and as soon as they see a nice, clean-cut paint job, they automatically assume it's a nicer house to live in. And they're right, because paint honestly makes a big difference. Yeah, see, all this older furniture makes the house look a little bit on the older side. I would repaint these baseboards, paint the walls, get some new window blinds. Bathroom would need to be updated, and the basement. Again, I would do some light updates to the basement. So, why am I showing you this house? Let's take a look. It's got 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and it's right around 1,000 square feet. Okay, and the asking price is $225,000. Keep this in mind. So let's jump over to this house, which is also in Evanston, Illinois. And actually, let me show you how close these are together. Copy this. Okay, so these are 7 minutes apart from each other, just over 1.5 miles apart. So these would be what they're called comps. So they're comparable to each other. So we're not taking a house in Evanston and comparing it with a house in Beverly Hills. So you gotta find homes that are comparable to what you are looking into buying. So this comp home, sold on January 8th, so just a few days ago, for $443,000. Now keep in mind, this is 7 minutes away from this home. Where here the asking price is $225,000. This home's got 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's just over 1,100 square feet. And let's take a look at the inside of this one. So right off the bat, you see a nice paint job. They have can lights, and they resanded and stained the hardwood floors, and it really makes the house pop. I mean, this looks basically brand new. You've got the newer furniture. I'm pretty sure this is a computerized furniture. It's not actually there, so it just looks like it's out of place. Look at this kitchen. Same thing on the older side. Got the older looking cabinets, and I don't even know if this is granite. It might be Formica, plastic countertops. It might be granite actually. But they have the newer appliances. Definitely an older backsplash. And this kitchen is on the small side as well for a house that's almost $350,000. Bedrooms aren't giant, just a nice paint job. Same thing, look at this bedroom, not big at all. Bathroom, I'd say, is a little bit on the newer side, but could definitely use some updating. I mean, look at this handle on this door. That's old school. So you get the idea of what that house looks like. So it's not too far from what this house looks like, and this asking price is $225,000. So let's jump over to this Excel spreadsheet that I put together and take a look at a few things. So the sale price, or the asking price for the home that we're looking at, is $225,000. I put together a budget of $30,000 for renovations. So the all-in for this house would be $255,000. The ARV, or after repair value, would be $345,000 based on what sold recently around this home. So the profit, you're looking at right around $90,000. Let's go over the investment side of things for a little bit. The down payment would be $7,875, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit about how I came up with that number. The renovation costs I have are $30,000, so the total out of pocket would be $37,875. Now, before you guys start panicking, a lot of people might say, well, I don't have $37,000 or almost $38,000 to put into an investment property. Check this out. If you're buying a home as an investment, most banks will ask for around 20% down. However, if you buy the home to live in it, you're honestly required to put down a lot less. It's called an occupied property, so it's not an investment property, so you can put down a lot less. Most people qualify for what's called an FHA loan, and that only requires you to put down 3.5% and requires you to have around 580 or higher credit score, which should be fairly simple to achieve a 580 credit score. So let's break this down. So the $30,000 renovation cost. So we went over this. Let's go over the renovation cost. So again, people will say, I don't have $30,000 to put into an investment property. A lot of people don't know that you can ask the bank for a loan to update and renovate the home that you're purchasing, and they roll that payment into your mortgage payment. So instead of going to look for $30,000 from family and friends or however you would find it, when purchasing the home, you can take an additional $30,000 loan from the bank to make those upgrades. So with this all being said, I estimated that the mortgage would be right around $1,500 a month, and I assumed it would take around 6 months to complete the project or the renovations. So between I said $7,900 down payment plus the $9,000 you'd pay over 6 months, you're looking at a total of just under $17,000 to turn around and make a $90,000 profit. So as you can see, there's some big numbers that go into real estate, and that's why it's a big buzzword and a lot of people talk about it. As I mentioned in a video, I think it was not my last video but the video before, I talked about how I wanted to get into real estate and make it my goal to do one of these homes or do something similar to this in 2020, and I'm going to bring you guys along for that. If you guys haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, be sure to make a comment below saying you guys would like to see more real estate content. And yeah, I'll do my best to get this out there, and I'll keep you guys in the loop as far as my progress towards getting an investment property, and definitely will bring you guys along for that experience. Thank you guys for watching, and smash that like button.